So I have a confession to make. I don't like my bedroom. I don't know what it is. I feel like it's just so white. It definitely lacks some furniture and it just feels like it lacks some personality. So over the next week, I'm going to be making over my bedroom with only renter-friendly changes. And I have a lot of plans and ideas of exactly what I want to do to this room over the next week. In fact, let me show you. First, we have the bed side of my room. I want to change up the curtains for some beige linen floor-to-ceiling curtains. And I also want to make a feature wall on the wall that the bed is facing to give the room a pop of color, something to kind of grab attention once you enter the room. And finally, I also want to get a new bed for the room. And our last one, or our existing one, is white. So I want this one to stand out a little bit more and be in different color than white, because everything in this room is white. And then for the other side of the room, which I guess is technically where I'm sitting now, here I want to create a little home office area with a desk and a desk chair. Me and my boyfriend work a lot from home, so I think it's going to be quite nice to have a little separate space for that instead of just doing all our work on the kitchen table. And then I want to transform this IKEA mirror that I have to a more funky, fun, colorful mirror. And then maybe I want to add an art piece on top. I'm not completely sure about that yet. I have a frame that I can use that I haven't been utilizing, but I also kind of want to do a new painting similar to the one I did down in my living room. So we'll see about that, but that is the plan for now. So let's get started. These are the current curtains that we have. They're the ones that the previous tenants left us. And they're actually quite nice, like I don't mind them at all, but they don't really fit with the vibe that I want to go for in this room makeover. As you can tell, the curtains end right here, and I really prefer curtains that go from the ceiling to the floor. I think it makes the room look more expensive and nicer and bigger. So let's take these down. First unboxed these, I thought they would be a little bit too dark for the room, but now that they're off and I see how it complements the blue dresser and the other tones in the room, I'm just so happy it looks so good. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to continue transforming the base of the room with this wallpaper. I asked you guys on my Instagram what wallpaper you preferred. And it was honestly like quite an even split between stripy wallpaper, dark blue wallpaper, and light blue wallpaper. However, a lot of you were saying how light colors in the bedroom makes it feel bigger and also makes it easier to add more colors, which is something I definitely want to do. So this is the color I ended up choosing. By the way, I've never done this before. It may look like I know what I'm doing in a lot of these DIY videos, but I'm doing this for the first time, same as you. So we're just gonna wing it, you know? Good morning. It is day 3, I think, of this makeover, and I'm done with the wall. I'm so happy. I was literally wallpapering until like 10 p.m. yesterday because I had something to do in the middle of the day, so I came back and I finished super late, but I'm honestly so happy with how it looks. I think it like transformed the vibe of the entire room with the curtains as well. It just looks like a totally new room now. Like, just look how well the blue complements the white and the curtains and the blue dresser. I love it already. Now today's plan is we are going to be removing this bed. So we've sold this bed to someone else who's picking it up later today. So my job today is basically just to dismantle the bed so it's easy for them to pick it up. And then tomorrow I'll show you the new bed, which will hopefully serve our needs better. Kind of wondering if they could carry this. No, they can't. We have to split this in two. It's too big for the door. Some people say money gets you everything, but it don't make me happy. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a new bed. Let's unbox. This bed was very kindly gifted to me by Madedotcom, so thank you so much. I am so excited to show you guys how it looks because it looks so good. I love the label on there. Screws like this. This bed just pulled the whole room together. The wood looks so much nicer with the blue tones in the room as well. Like now we have wood tones, we have beiges, we have a lot of blues obviously. And so I don't know, it just looks like an upgrade. I tucked in the sheets like this so you can see the amazing details of this bed. So this side of the room is pretty much done. I'm missing like a nightstand that I ordered. It's a green one, it's going in there. But other than that, this side of the room is completely done. So it's time that we deal with this side. Look what just arrived. This is our new desk. I ordered it from Swoon. It's one of the first things I ordered for this makeover. And so I kind of based like the whole project around it. So hopefully it looks good in the space. I'm very excited to see how it looks. Let's unbox it. I'm like really hoping they didn't make this super hard for me. Because I hate when I have to build stuff and it takes like 5 hours. Like 2. Oh, it's like super mounted underneath. That's perfect. Look, the drawers are even installed. Oh, words cannot express how much I love when they do this. It makes my life so easy. I love it. I got this chair from Facebook Marketplace and I just came home from picking it up. I had to carry it all the way home on the bus through the streets. And I honestly think it looks really good. So let's put this here. We might need to raise it a little bit actually. Ah, there we go. Next thing I want to do is deal with this mirror. I've been spending a lot of time on Pinterest lately and I've been seeing so many cool funky mirrors. And I saw this one mirror from this designer called Julie Lansam. Like how cool is this giant mirror? However, unfortunately they don't ship to the UK, and also if they did, I don't have the money required to buy this mirror. So instead I thought we could try to use this mirror that's already here, kind of take it apart and build a similar version to her mirror. I don't know what I've gotten myself into, but I think I can achieve this if I just put my mind to it. You know, girls can do anything. Yeah, I need to get some wood or like MDF. I also need to get some paint and some other tools to make this work. But I think we can do it. Let's get started. I'm out trying to find like really big MDF boards for the mirror and it's proving a lot harder than I thought. I'm going to my third hardware shop now, which is Leland's. And hopefully they have an MDF board that is big enough to fit my mirror inside. My mirror isn't even that big, so I don't know why this is taking so long. Moment of truth. There's a lot of timber here, let's see. So I faced an issue. I need a timber piece or an MDF board that's like 180 times 90. And the tallest they have is 180, which is perfect. But the widest any hardware shop that I've gone to has is 60. I ended up ordering from this site called Cut My. They do like UK cutting of MDF and literally everything else, and they were so helpful in this process. Because my initial plan was to get like MDF boards and cut them myself with like a little round saw, you know, the saws that you can like cut MDF and wood and that kind of stuff. However, now they cut it for me, which makes my life so much easier. I don't have to worry about cutting wood inside of an apartment. So the mirror is going, well, technically it's gonna be glued up like this, but we'll put it down here. And then this is going on top, like that. And look how good it looks. I'm seeing that I need to sand this down a little bit because some of the corners have been fringing a little bit. So let's do that, and then afterwards, let's go out and get some paint.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day.
This is kind of the color that I have in another furniture piece that I'm bringing into the room. So I don't think I want to like have that exact color because I think it's going to be too matchy, but this color is going to help us create or like choose the actual color for the mirror. These two look really good together and these two look really good together. Learning from past mistakes again, it also helps to look at colors in like actual London daylight because it's so grey that colors can actually look a lot grayer in daylight than they look in the store. But this looks good. These are the colors I'm going with. Breakfast room green and off-white.
Tell you that I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch. That's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know.
I'm a bit delusional because I've been painting and sanding for like 4 hours. But here's the paint.
Up on the mountaintop.
This looks a lot better than I thought it would. What? Not planned. Obviously nothing has been mounted yet, so the mirror is still a full mirror and this is not glued on to either there or there. So the next step is going to be gluing the mirror onto the green board. First we need to take the mirror apart because it's still a full mirror. We need to dismantle the mirror from the frame and then we can glue the mirror onto the green board. Exciting.
100 times a day. You'll get tired.
I always feel so nervous doing like DIY stuff for the first time, like putting up wallpaper and doing this. Like, why do I think I can do this? I can do this, but my like head is saying, you're not gonna be able to do this. Okay, stop overthinking. Let's just go. I've watched enough tutorials already.
And love you till my dying day.
Needs about 24 to 48 hours of drying time, so I'm gonna leave it here for now and then I'll come back tomorrow and finish off the bedroom.
Really hope you love me too. Yeah, yeah, I really hope you love me too. Yeah, yeah, I really hope you love me too. Yeah, yeah, I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
Okay, final day of this bedroom makeover and I got some boxes to finish off the bedroom. This is a table lamp by Hay. I found it at the Hay pop-up in Selfridges. They literally have like a massive, big Hay store there now. It's so cool. So I got this from there, and then this is our bedside table. Well, actually, it's not technically a bedside table. It's actually a stool. Let's unbox. I know I put this lamp on the desk originally, but my plan was always to put this on the nightstand because I think it just adds the element. Oh my god. I think it just adds that element of like fun, funk, whatever you want to call it.
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. No.
Okay, you guys, what do you think?
All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. Cause that man is trouble, you best beware.
I used to think my living room or kitchen was my favorite room in this flat, but I think it's officially become my bedroom. We are getting a big rug for this area because I think it definitely feels like it's missing a rug in here, and also a painting for above the desk. So stay tuned for a future video on that. But for now, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!